What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Daisy. Today I'm going to show you my burnout exercises like I promised you last video. So last video I did activations and I kind of told you that you start with your activations and then you do your weighted exercises and then you're going to do burnouts. And I do burnouts with the same bands that I do the activations with. I just do different exercises and I keep doing the exercises until I literally feel like my muscle is gonna give out, till you feel like you don't have any strength left in you. And that is just dependent on per person and dependent on how hard you work during that exercise. But it's really good to give your muscle that one last stretch and really just push yourself as hard as you can. And I've seen so much booty progress since I've been doing burnouts at the end of my workouts. So I'm going to show you my favorite ones now. And if you guys haven't seen my last activation video where I just dropped these booty bands, these are out now, so click the link in the description box below to get your band. So in today's burnout, I'm going to be doing a drop set. We are going to start at 5 of every exercise. You're gonna stay with one leg and you go from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you're gonna switch to the other leg. So that's what we're doing today. Follow along. Okay, that's it for today's burnout. Again, if you guys are needing new workout bands, I have this brown set available on www.keechpeach.fit. I will leave a link in the description box. And also, I mentioned this last video, a lot of you are saying that you missed more of my personal vlogs where I did day in lives, stuff like that. However, I just started a vlogging channel with my boyfriend. And we're gonna be moving to Nashville and renovating our home, so you're gonna be able to watch me break down walls. And it's gonna be great, it's gonna be fun, and yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you want to go watch me with my boyfriend, then go subscribe. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, definitely do so. And don't forget to check me out on my socials. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Goodbye!